Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that is going to start to be trending here shortly. But before I get into the niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It is a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99. You get 16 lessons and over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch, and I also have one for Redbubble as well. It's also $19.99, and this one you get 20 lessons and over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales or that might be new on Redbubble. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them in the pinned comment. I want to thank everybody that has been buying the courses. I appreciate your support. I hope you've been finding them valuable. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content. So the niche that I have for you today that is going to start to be trending here is Unity Day. So right here you're going to see Unity Day. And Unity Day has to do around, let me just show you the link here. So Unity Day has to do with about bullying, and it's going to be on Wednesday, October 19th, so we have enough time to prepare for this. And here is what the designs look like. So it's basically anti-bullying shirts right here. When you upload these designs, you want to make sure that you're designing for orange, and you want to use the orange color. You can also, do black, but use orange color font. You just want to make sure that you have orange somewhere on the design, or you're using the orange color t-shirt. We're going to see that the competition is low, is only 355 results. Another thing that you can also do is you can cross niche this with Halloween, since Halloween is coming up, and I think it's like 10 days before Halloween or something like that, but there's a design that is popular that is boo to bullying, and you're going to see that a lot of these designs have low BSRs, where they're going to start to get lower the closer we get to Unity Day. If we take a look at the competition on Etsy, you're going to see that it's very low. Again, a lot of the t-shirts are using orange color t-shirts or orange color font. The competition on Redbubble was a lot higher, which is 7,000, so probably not the best for Redbubble. And TeePublic, I think on TeePublic you're actually not even, they don't have an orange shirt option. I could be wrong, but because I remember when I was doing some Halloween shirts, I couldn't find it. But if you do decide to upload onto TeePublic, make sure that you're using orange color fonts. One thing that you can do if you're looking for graphics, you can go to Vexels. You can type in ribbon, and you can download these ribbons and you can upload them into Photoshop, and then you can just change the color to orange. I have an affiliate link in the description, so maybe like this butterfly one or this one right here, but you can get some good clip art and graphics from Vexels to use for your print-on-demand business. Again, affiliate link is in the description. And that is basically going to be the niche for today. I was actually thinking about taking the day off, but I figured, nope, got to get a video up for you guys. So get your designs up for this niche. It's Unity Day. It's basically anti-bullying designs. And again, if you're looking or if you're interested in purchasing one of my courses, I'll have the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Oh, I forgot to show you my credentials on merch. So here are my credentials on merch: 10,000 sales, over 35,000 in royalties. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. And here are my credentials on Redbubble. Past few months I've done over $266 in income, $317, and then $248. So those are my credentials. Again, links are in the description. And then also make sure to check out my YouTube channel. If you're looking for like other niches, other design ideas or trending niches, you can come here. You can take a look at my recent uploads, some of my playlists that I have for September 2022 trending niches. If you need more ideas, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out almost daily videos about trending niches, design ideas for you to make sales on print-on-demand sites like Merch, Etsy, TeePublic, and Redbubble. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and watch some football. So thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye-bye.